Yo, we're gonna blow up on YouTube in under 5 videos. Yes, it's very much possible. Just look at my channel for example. I designed a very specific blueprint to blow up on YouTube that only 1% of YouTubers actually use. And today, I'm gonna leak my secrets and show you how you can blow up your channel just like mine. I'm warning you right now, and if you don't listen, you'll never go anywhere on YouTube and we'll just end up wasting your time. So listen up, it's really simple. Making multiple videos at once is a guaranteed way of burnout / doing everything subpar. What you should be doing is focusing on having one really good video. You probably think that making one really good video takes hours, days, or even weeks to complete, but that's simply not true. I have a dark secret to tell you. My top performing video, The Dark Method to Explode on YouTube, which has 17K plus views at the moment, only took me 2 hours to make, and this video exploded my channel. So what did I do to make my video go viral with the least amount of work? Let me explain and let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. My favorite quote is, "What you do is more important than how you do it." And we can use this principle with blowing up on YouTube in the fastest way possible with the least amount of work. What I tell my VIPs, link in the description if you want me to help you with your YouTube channel, is that if you have a specific process in place, you can make good videos fast. So what do? It all starts with a good video topic. Put yourself in the shoes of a random person doom scrolling on YouTube. They want to be entertained. So you need to find a video topic within your niche that is 100% entertaining to a random person. Erase your ego for a moment and take a good look at your own channel. If you were a random person, would you click on your videos? Most of you guys wouldn't. Once we have an actually entertaining / captivating topic to make a video on, we can start the video process. Now everyone does it differently, but this is my tried and true method I use to blow up my videos with the least amount of time. First, just like a house, we start with the foundation, and that is writing an amazing script. You don't have to be an author to write a good script. It's actually so easy, anyone can do it. Think back to a video you really enjoyed and think about how they wrote the script. You just need to make your script in a way where it teases the viewer to continue watching. Don't spend any time at all thinking about what words to put in your script. Just start writing. Don't worry about it being good yet. Once we have a draft of our script, we can go over it and polish it. Now we can record our audio and cut out all the uhs and ums and shit like that. Think of people's attention spans as, well, goldfish, because unfortunately that's where we're headed towards in the future. So once you have your script and audio, you can add your background videos and then add your B-roll to finish your video. When you break it down into steps like this, script, audio, background video, B-roll, making and uploading viral videos barely takes up any time. But here's the thing, the only way this will work is if you genuinely make good content, which isn't really hard at all. All you have to do is either A, stand out from the crowd, B, one up your competitors' videos and make them better than theirs, or in the best case, C, doing both of these things at once. That is exactly how I blew up. Wait. I can't believe I didn't tell you the most important part about blowing up on YouTube. And if you don't do this and you don't do it well, you won't go anywheres on YouTube. The thumbnail. You've heard it thousands of times before. A good thumbnail will blow up your channel. The thing is though, is that 99% of YouTubers I see don't understand the difference between a good thumbnail and a cookie cutter thumbnail. Let me explain. A cookie cutter thumbnail is a clean looking thumbnail that would attract viewers, but there's one thing wrong. They look exactly the same as everyone else's thumbnails. People, aka the viewer, are tired of clicking on these thumbnails because they expect the video to be the same as every other video with similar thumbnails. The market is simply too oversaturated for cookie cutter thumbnails. I use the cookie cutter analogy because it's very true. You're copying someone else's thumbnail and you have zero creativity. So why should someone watch your video, like, comment, and subscribe on it when all you're doing is copying the next man? The market is simply too oversaturated to be just like everybody else. So how can you stand out from the 99% of YouTubers and get thousands of views? Yes, it all stems from the thumbnail. You don't have to go crazy on Photoshop. You don't spend hours of time studying graphic design. You simply look at what works and either add or change something so it looks dramatically different than the cookie cutter thumbnails. The reason why this works so well is because when you see a thumbnail that looks similar but has that element of unfamiliarity, people, the viewer, will be extremely intrigued to click on your video. So if you want to succeed on YouTube, you got to bring something new to the table or do what's already on the table but better. So if you want me to help you grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out my VIP section on Patreon. You get one-on-one calls with me personally for any questions you have, personalized help with thumbnails, video retention, etc., and 10-minute plus video responses to any questions you may have. And you can see what my awesome Patreon members have said about me with these little testimonials I put in the description. And if you really just want to level up your YouTube channel and you want a second pair of eyes to tell you what you should or should not do, definitely book a consultation call with me today. That's all I got to say today. Have a good day. Peace.